This is Touring the Ozarks, brought to you by Ozark Radio News and News Team 7. Sponsored by Mayfield Auto Repair, Simpson Estate and Elder Law, and Little Caesars on Porter Wagner.
Greetings and welcome back to Touring the Ozarks, West Plains Edition. I'm here with Marty and Ben Simpson from Simpson Estate Law. Welcome, you guys. Travis. Glad to have you on the show to talk a little bit about the history. When did you guys start this business?
Well, I started the estate and elder law practice in 2017.
Okay.
Ben joined me last year. He graduated from law school and came back up and joined me as a partner.
Welcome.
Doing that.
Thank you.
So we do trusts and estate work and.
Marty, and a lot of times when people hear the word trust or estate work, they think, oh my gosh, I've got to have $25 million in the bank. That is not the truth. And as a matter of fact, it's even more important just to protect your assets later on.
Oh, it is. One of our primary goals is to avoid probate for everybody.
Okay.
And you may not have much money in the bank, but you have a little piece of property, and it's just as important to protect that property, not only from probate, but from Medicaid and from creditors.
Well, explain that too. What does that mean to be protected from probate and protected? What do you guys do? How do you help with that?
Well, we can help set up a couple of different kinds of trusts. Any type of a trust will help protect you from probate so that when you pass, your property passes to your children or to whoever you want it to go to without any probate, no courts involved. And we have a type of a trust that can also help protect the property if you go to a nursing home so that the nursing home can't take your property.
Okay. And most people too, when I hear about these things, they think, oh, that must be expensive. But really, it's not compared to if you don't do it.
Correct.
And find out about later.
Well, yes, because our trust costs about a third of what a probate would cost.
Okay.
Because probate's based on the value of your property.
Okay, I never realized that before. That's why it's good to do these interviews and find out different.
Sure.
Okay. And so if it's based on, if I've got a piece of property and I want to protect it, do I just make an appointment with you guys? What's the best thing to do?
Yeah, absolutely. We have a free consultation for estate planning.
Okay.
So if you're looking at estate planning, give us a call, 417-256-1968.
Awesome.
Come in for an hour. We'll give you a free hour and explain all of the options to you and see what works best for your family.
Awesome. And you coming in right now, Ben, just out of law school and stuff, what's the experience been coming back to West Plains?
It's been good. Coming back, helping people from the community, and really just getting to learn the ropes from my dad has been really great.
Well, your dad is going to be an excellent teacher and stuff because he's from this community. He's cared a lot. I had noticed, too, that you've got your family here. That, to me, is the backbone of American business, being able to combine the two together. So Marty gets to be with his grandchildren. You've got your kids around. Yeah. So it's you care about people is what I'm trying to get.
Well, sure. Yeah. And Ben's mom is our secretary.
Awesome.
So it really is a family business.
Awesome.
And we really, we want our family to help your family.
Well, and I can't stress to you folks how important it is to get either a will, trust, those things set up because you don't want the government messing your business after you're gone.
And no planning at all. If you have done nothing, then you are planning to go to probate.
Amen. And explain probate a little bit for people who don't understand what that means.
So probate is a court process. When you die, any of your possessions that don't have a beneficiary on them or are owned by a trust, they have to go to the court, and then the judge uses your will, perhaps, to decide who gets your stuff.
So in this case, you're letting I am able to make the choices and not depending on the government or a judge to make those choices for me later.
Absolutely, yes.
Now, if I want to get one of these set up or just do the initial consultation, where are you guys located and what's your hours of operation?
We're at 306 Davis Drive. It's the Silver Springs office complex. We're in Suite 101, so it's the first office on your right if you come in the south doors. Our office is generally open to 8:30 to 4:30, Monday through Thursday, and then 8:30 to noon on Friday.
Well, and a big plus, too, that I see is that you speak Spanish here.
Yeah.
We do so many different interviews, and I can't tell you how I hear about so many different people moving in the area and stuff. So you being able to do that, you're basically reaching out to a new set of people who are probably coming here scared, alone, don't know what to do. So we appreciate you doing that too.
Well, I'm glad to help them.
Well, it's a huge thing to help people, so we appreciate that very much. Guys, thank you.
Thank you.
Wish you the best of luck too, because I know you're both good guys. And so go see the Simpsons, get something taken care of with either your will, your estate. They're going to take good care of you. We're going to be back with more Touring the Ozarks in just a bit.
Thank you for tuning in to Touring the Ozarks with Travis Smith. Join us next time as we speak with Mayfield Auto Repair.